Hello, I am at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I want to look at this vehicle here, Knaus Sun, the exclusive one, as it says there. It is Sun i900 LEG. Many years ago, Dougie said that when I said that this was a vehicle that reminded me of a nightclub in Moscow in 1992, said that Dougie, whose name I do remember from all those years back, said that this probably wasn't the sort of style for me. Anyway, so what has changed? Well, what's changed is that nightclubs in Moscow more than a third of a century ago are now just a distant memory for me. This is the top of the range vehicle, I think fair to say, from Knaus Tabbert. The front here, it has a really nice, I really like the shape of the chair here. I mean, this does strike to me being luxury. That is that's quite wonderful. Oh, look at this. I'm going to walk around whilst this person talks. Oh no, this person isn't going to talk, so I'll continue with my tour. At the back here, we've got this German style bed layout. It could do some more lighting. I have put the lights on actually, but you know, the trade fair, they for obvious reasons stop people messing around with them. But this is what the bed comes out to at its maximum stage. This piece here will go elsewhere. As you can see, it's got a board there. It needs to be pointed out, of course, that you can't pull yourself up on this if you weigh too much, because you're going to break it. You need to enter the bed in most cases via there. In here we've got storage. This storage here for a wardrobe. At the type of money that this is going to cost, I think it could do with a light. You know, really, that isn't.
Good morning and a warm welcome on the second day of the CMT 2025. We wish you a pleasant and successful day.
Oh, that was a quick one. See, in Dusseldorf, they're going for ages in various languages. Toilet's got a step up. It's got a big heater in here. My question for you, because there's something here I don't understand. Why is there such big heaters in toilets? I mean, well, maybe I'm not spending as much time in them as I should be. Obviously, if you do this and you close it, and then you've got this area here, your dressing area, as it is, then maybe you would want to keep the shower. Maybe that's the point. Maybe it's not for the toilet. I'm just throwing these ideas out. I don't know. Sink like this, is it practical? Maybe not. The shower though is super. Look how big it is. That's great. Right, in here, kitchen, lovely recessed. I think it's a Thetford, it is, and lots of space around here. You've got this deep sink here. You've got this bin here for your potato peelings. You've got an electric point there. You've got over here more electric points, all shore power, but you can fit them through the inverter. You can use your habitation battery. That is not a problem. This is, yeah, this is nice. Soft close function. Really very attractive. I think this is really attractive. Very nice. Very nice. That's my opinion. This might disagree. Here we've got one of these fridges which opens both ways. I've seen that this appears to be broken. I bet you think it was me. I was in here. I think that's on its way out actually. But that's not the fault of. It's probably not the fault of the Dometic. It's not certainly isn't the fault of Knaus Tabbert. It's probably people messing around with the things, trying to open them at both sides at once or something like that. So some of these fixtures and fittings really do make it look much better than a nightclub in Moscow in 1992. So we've got the bed over here, and now this, to get the bed to come down, well, I'm not going to try and do it, but obviously you've got to put the seats down as well, particularly as people in here before long. Now here's the problem though, and I'm going to show it to you. There's me sitting in my favourite seat with my hat and coat on, even though I've been here for 2 hours. Well, it's pretty cold outside, but as soon as I stand up, I don't think that's good. I don't think the bed should be here. Now, if you want to have sleep 4, that's, well, the bed has to go somewhere, I suppose. But it completely loses the this wonderful setting of luxury created by that. So having to bend your head. Now you can of course pull the chair a bit forward, but even so, wherever you have the chair, you're going to be hitting your head on that. That is something I don't like at all. I don't know what other people may think. Oh, it's not a problem, but I don't like it at all. Oh, look down here, we've got a bit more storage. You can get your wine cellar there. That's handy actually. Save you going to the garage to get it out. Mind you, it is nice, even if it is a Knaus vehicle. Alright, let's have a wander outside, passing the door on the way, which has got a bag in it and a window. Lovely large garage. Note this bit here, that is due to the entry to the bed, which you should see because the bed was out fully. In here we'll find more storage with access now to under the bed as well. So that's all positive. Don't know what that spare chair's doing there. It's probably a very good reason. Sun i900 LEG. So I've got films of this going back for many years ago. So around here we will find the service box. Right, so you put your water in there obviously, but down here other clever things such as you've got this is the Truma frost control. If you want to know how that works, I've done a separate video on it. That protects the boiler when the temperature drops. And down here you can thread the your hookup cable through. You can see there it's a bit of you may think it's a bit of a fiddly, but it'll stop the cable actually being stolen. There's the batteries. You can obviously you don't have to have the battery compartment here. I mean, it's been built for that, but if you've got so many batteries that you need to put them somewhere else, they can go somewhere else. I don't like having fuses on the accessed from the outside at all, in my opinion. I mean, how many times is it raining and then you have to access the fuses? Okay, good. There's the top of the range Knaus vehicle. I'll put you some links to what it looked like in the past below. Thanks very much for watching. Please do bear in mind the warnings on Knaus Stafford. Bye for now.